Welcome back. Let's quickly solve this question. So this is not in the past question. So I just brought the question so that we can solve it in case we are given any bisection problem or question in the exams. We can know how to solve it quickly. So find the root of the equation x cubed minus x squared minus 1 is equal to 0 using bisection method. So you know in bisection method f of a is less than 0 and f of b is greater than 0. Let's test f of 1. Let's check what it will give us. So we have 1 to the power of 3 minus 1 squared minus 1. 1 to the power of 3, 1 minus 1 minus 1. This gives us what? Minus 1. So you know that minus 1 is less than 0. So we are going to have f of what? 2. Let's test it. We are going to have 2 to the power of what? 3 minus 2 squared minus 1. So 2 to the power of 3 is what? 8 minus 4 minus 1. So this will give us what? This and this will give us what? Minus 1. So we are going to have what? 5. Therefore, x1 for bisection will be a plus what? B all over 2. And our value for a is what? When it is less than. So we have what? 1. When it is less than is for a is less than 0. So when this number we put is less than 0, we are having what? At x is equals to 1. So plus b when it is greater than 0 at x is equals to what? 2. So all over 2. So we are going to have 3 over 2. So our x1 will be what? 1.5. So at f of x1, we are now going to do at f of what? X1. What value are we going to get at f of x1? We are going to get what? 1.5. So we are going to have f of x1, which is 1.5, right? So which is equals to, anywhere we see this, we put 1.5. So 1.5 to the power of 3 minus 1.5 squared minus 1. So what are we going to get? 1.5 to the power of 3. So if you do it well, so our interval will now be, for the one we are going to use for x2, it will now be, we still have our 1 and 1.5. Remember, our aim is the one that give us minus and the one that give us positive. So this place is A, this place is what? B. So something like that.